car in Smile Infected mode. Let's start. First, you need two wooden blocks. Then you need to find a wooden door. Then after you put a small stairs, then you add wheels on the side. Then you delete the block underneath. Try to knock the car over. Then you will be driving in no time. This is me drifting now. You like it, guys? This can help you get away from smiles in any map except for like mountains, because this will not work. Okay, I'll catch you later. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.